Punta Cana, located on the eastern coast of the Dominican Republic, is famous for its stunning beaches, fancy resorts, and lively culture. To have a great time during your visit, it's important to be aware of local customs and rules. Here are 15 things you should avoid doing in Punta Cana to make sure your trip goes smoothly and safely. Number 1, don't use unauthorized tour operators. While exploring Punta Cana's diverse attractions through tours and excursions is a fantastic way to experience the region, it's essential to book with reputable operators. Unauthorized vendors or street-side operators may offer seemingly attractive deals, but they often do not adhere to safety standards or have proper licensing. Opting for established tour companies recommended by your hotel or trusted travel guide ensures your outings are not only enjoyable, but also safe and compliant with local regulations. Number 2, avoid touching or disturbing wildlife. Punta Cana is blessed with rich biodiversity, including various species of birds, marine life, and reptiles like iguanas. While encountering wildlife can be exciting, it's crucial to observe from a respectful distance and avoid feeding or touching animals. Interacting with wildlife can disrupt their natural behaviors and even pose safety risks to both humans and animals. Appreciating wildlife in their natural habitat enhances your experience while contributing to their conservation and well-being. Number 3, don't assume everyone speaks English. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas and hotels, not all locals in Punta Cana may be fluent. Taking the time to learn basic Spanish phrases, such as greetings, polite requests, and directions, can greatly enhance your interactions with locals and show respect for their culture. Most Dominicans appreciate visitors who make an effort to communicate in their language, fostering positive exchanges and deeper cultural immersion during your stay. Number 4, avoid public nudity. Punta Cana's stunning beaches are a highlight for travelers seeking sun and relaxation. However, it's important to respect local customs and laws regarding attire. Public nudity is not acceptable in the Dominican Republic, including beaches. Always wear appropriate swimwear when enjoying the beach or pool areas to avoid causing offense or legal issues. Adhering to cultural norms ensures a harmonious experience for both visitors and locals alike. Number 5, don't rely solely on credit cards. While major credit cards are widely accepted at hotels, resorts, and larger establishments in Punta Cana, smaller businesses, local markets, and street vendors may prefer cash payments. Having some Dominican pesos on hand for purchases at local markets, street food vendors, or smaller shops ensures convenience and avoids potential transaction fees or limitations. This flexibility in payment methods allows you to fully enjoy the local shopping and dining experiences without any inconvenience. Number 6, avoid flashing expensive items. While Punta Cana is known for its warm hospitality and generally safe environment, displaying valuable items such as expensive jewelry, gadgets, or large sums of cash can attract unwanted attention. Petty theft can occur in tourist areas, so it's advisable to keep valuables discreetly tucked away and use hotel safes for storage. This precaution minimizes the risk of becoming a target for theft and allows you to focus on soaking in the beauty and culture of Punta Cana. Number 7, don't disrespect historic sites. The Dominican Republic boasts a rich history and cultural heritage, evident in its ancient Taino settlements, colonial architecture, and historic landmarks. When visiting historical sites or cultural attractions in Punta Cana, it's essential to show respect by following designated paths, refraining from climbing on ruins, and avoiding any actions that could damage or deface these valuable sites. Respecting local regulations and historical integrity ensures these treasures are preserved for future generations to appreciate and enjoy. Number 8. Avoid driving without proper documentation. If you plan to rent a car and explore beyond Punta Cana's resorts, ensure you possess a valid driver's license from your home country and understand local traffic laws. Driving without proper documentation or insurance can result in legal repercussions and complications. Familiarizing yourself with local driving customs and securing necessary permits or insurance beforehand ensures a safe and hassle-free exploration of Punta Cana and its surrounding areas. Number 9. Don't engage in illegal activities. The Dominican Republic enforces strict laws against activities such as drug possession, prostitution, and vandalism. Engaging in illegal behaviors not only puts you at risk of legal consequences, including arrest and imprisonment, but also tarnishes your travel experience and impacts local communities negatively. Respecting local laws and customs demonstrates responsible tourism and fosters a positive relationship between visitors and residents of Punta Cana. Number 10. Avoid wasting water and electricity. Like many Caribbean destinations, Punta Cana faces challenges with water and energy conservation. As a responsible traveler, you can contribute to sustainable tourism efforts by conserving water, using electricity wisely, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives offered by your hotel or local businesses. Simple actions such as turning off lights and air conditioning when not in use, taking shorter showers, and reusing towels help minimize environmental impact and preserve Punta Cana's natural beauty for future generations to enjoy. Number 11. Don't drink tap water. The tap water in Punta Cana is generally not potable for tourists. It may contain contaminants that could lead to stomach discomfort or illness. To stay safe and avoid gastrointestinal issues, opt for bottled water, which is widely available in hotels, restaurants, and stores across the region. Keeping hydrated with bottled water ensures you can fully enjoy your time exploring the vibrant attractions without worry. Number 12. Don't ignore weather warnings. The Caribbean climate is characterized by its tropical warmth and occasional storms, particularly during hurricane season from June to November. Paying close attention to weather forecasts and heeding any advisories issued by local authorities is essential. This proactive approach helps you stay informed and prepared, enabling you to adjust plans accordingly and ensure your safety throughout your stay. Number 13. Avoid unregulated taxis. Utilizing unofficial or unregulated taxis can pose risks, including potential overcharging or unfamiliar routes. To ensure a safe and fair transportation experience, rely on authorized taxi services recommended by your hotel or reputable ride-sharing platforms. This approach not only enhances your travel convenience, but also safeguards against unnecessary complications, enabling you to navigate Punta Cana with ease and confidence. Number 14. Don't underestimate the sea currents. Punta Cana's picturesque beaches entice visitors with their tranquil waters and inviting shores. However, some areas may experience strong sea currents that can pose risks to swimmers. Prioritize swimming in designated beach areas, monitored by lifeguards, and adhere to safety guidelines. Remaining vigilant and responsive to any warning signs or advisories ensures your aquatic activities are enjoyable and free from potential hazards, allowing you to fully appreciate Punta Cana's coastal splendor. Number 15. Avoid isolated areas at night. While Punta Cana is renowned for its hospitality and tourist-friendly atmosphere, venturing into isolated or unfamiliar areas after dark can increase safety risks. To enhance your personal security, prioritize staying within well-lit and populated areas, particularly during nighttime outings. Traveling in groups whenever possible further promotes a secure and enjoyable experience, enabling you to indulge in Punta Cana's nightlife and cultural offerings with confidence. By adhering to these insightful tips and cultural considerations, you can enhance your journey through Punta Cana while ensuring your safety, respect for local customs, and positive contribution to the destination's sustainability. Embrace the enchanting landscapes, warm hospitality, and rich cultural experiences that Punta Cana offers, knowing that your mindful choices contribute to a memorable and harmonious travel experience.